Hi, I'm Jamie Hartman with New Roots at eXp Realty. I'm here with Ryan Goldberg at Guaranteed Rate. Ryan, thank you so much for joining me. There are so many mortgage questions that my clients have, and I wanted to bring Ryan in to address all of them for you. So make sure you tune in to our four-part mini-series about all of your mortgage questions. We're gonna have them all answered here. So when it comes to the mortgage, Ryan, how much is a mortgage really, right? Because if you're paying cash, there are going to be additional ancillary fees when you are paying a mortgage. So what are they?
$1 million. No, no, I'm joking. No, there are fees. Yeah, there's a lot of fees that go into a real estate transaction, especially when there's a mortgage involved. I'm not going to get into obviously the title company fees and other fees, but I can talk to you about my part of it all, which is the mortgage side. Generally, there are about 3 or 4 different fees that are tied to a mortgage. You've got a credit report, which is generally about $15 to $25, depending on how many clients are on the loan application. You've got a flood certificate, make sure the property's not in a flood zone. There is the flood certificate, it's maybe 10 or 15 bucks. A loan application fee, or a commitment fee is what it's generally called, or origination fee. That's like for the loan processing and the underwriting of the file. It's usually between $1,000 and $1,500. And then the last fee would be an appraisal fee. Appraisal fees are usually between $500 to $600.
And then there is also the satisfaction and recording fee of the mortgage, right?
There is. So that's more of a title company fee, because the title company is going to take the actual mortgage instrument and the deed and get it recorded with the local town office.
Got it.
But to record those fees, which when you're not buying it with cash, you have to record the mortgage.
Right.
That's generally between like $300 to $400.
Right. And when you pay off your mortgage, there is a satisfaction fee for whatever reason. Yeah. But there is, and it's important for you to be aware of that, because you do have to actually pay the mortgage company to satisfy or pay off the mortgage.
Yeah, there's no prepayment penalty, which a lot of people ask. That's probably one of the biggest questions I get asked nowadays. Is there a penalty to pay more towards my principal? There's never a penalty to pay more towards your principal, but there is a mortgage satisfaction fee with the servicing lender.
Yeah, so that's really good to know. To learn more about what Ryan is talking about, make sure you watch my amortization video, and that will go into detail about prepayment and how that can benefit you and save thousands, if not more, off your mortgage. Ryan, thank you so much for taking the time to be here. Mortgage questions are so important, and I really appreciate you enlightening us on all of these topics.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me. I really do appreciate it.
And remember, I'm Jamie Hartman with New Roots South Jersey at eXp Realty. Have a question? Reach out to me. Have a mortgage-related question? Reach out to Ryan. And thanks so much for joining us. And make sure you tune in to the next segment, which will go into more mortgage questions in more depth.